Hi guys! Okay, experimenting here. Luto tayo ng empanada. I have here puff pastry. Ayan. Puff pastry na defrost na. And I have my remaining mekos last night. So, I thought it'd be nice to make empanada with it. So, let's try. So, I have one sheet here. I divided into 4. Kasi diba, ang empanada, parang half moon siya. So, this one, I'm just gonna make it into triangles. I have some cooking already. There. And we brushed it with milk. So, that's cooking in a turbo. Okie dokie. So, let's do this. Maybe I'll take it from the middle. Folding out like this. This is an experiment. First time to make empanada. Siguro malalaki yung aking napuna ko lang. Malalaki yung aking potatoes. Dapat maliit siya. Para mas maganda. Pupuno yung ano. Siguro untian ko lang ang palaman. Okay. Tapos, sisil ko ng using fork. Ganun lang. Sana maluto siya. Sana maluto siya. Aha. There you are. Tadan! Empanada kuno. Make another one. This is exciting. Ganyan lang ako. Ano lang ang maisipan. Ano lang ang maisipan. Okay, 1 spoon. 1 spoonful. Itong aking mixture ay hindi nakikisama. Malamig kasi, dapat siguro ininit ko muna. Para maghiwa-hiwalay sila. Yan, oh. Okidoki. Pagkakalam ko nito, piniprito. Piniprito. Pero sabi ng asawa ko, pasti ang tawag nila sa ganito. Sa atin, empanada. Sabi niya ay, ano daw, binibake. So, ayan, nakabake siya. Sana maluto. Ayan. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ayan. Nag-ano lang ako, 6 ang laman na sheets sa isang pack. Nag-defrost lang ako ng 3 sheets. So, divided into 4 each sheet, I will have 12 pieces. So, hopefully, this will work out. Yan. Yumminess! Kitty! Alam ko, sana maluto siya. Honey, I think you're gonna fry this. Have a look. Have a look.
Should go like a pie.
How come it goes white like that?
Got to bathe it more.
No, you drenched it already.
No, it'll go brown.
You just have to. Maybe it's milk. It's not milk. Maybe it's
No, they put milk
egg
on it. Oh, they might put egg too, but they put milk on it.
Did they?
Yeah.
Ano kaya ang ano rito para
Maybe
maging
a bit of
ano
oil
siya?
too. There's no oil in it.
Crispy.
Probably put a bit of oil and milk, maybe. I don't know. It'll go brown, probably.
Nahuhula lang kami. So maybe try to fry, honey.
No. They've done it in a camp oven like this, but steel, with coals underneath and coals on top, and it come out like a pasty.
I don't know. Look at this, guys.
One more.
It's starting to brown now, but I don't know. It's white. Maybe it just needs more cooking.
Yeah, just give it a go.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'll just continue on making
I'll eat it.
this thing. You better.
Yeah, it's more milk here.
Don't waste it. Yeah, tabi natin yan. Let's make 4 more. Yan, hula-hula lang ire. Yan. Minsan may nakikita akong mga recipe. Sabi ko parang, mga pagkain. Sabi ko, dali lang naman yan. Pero kapag ikaw na gumagawa, naku. Lalo't wala kang experience sa paggagawa, naku. Mahirap. Yan. Natin. Yan. Malambot naman siya kaya hindi siya bubuka. Okay. More. Ay, okay na. Okay. So, it is starting to look better. Diba? Parang empanada na siya. May nakaamoy akong panis. Siguro yung mani na itinapon ko kasi napanis siya. 4 na araw, 3 araw ko na yata siyang kinakain. Nire-ref ko lang siya. Naparami kasi ang gawa ko. Kaya nire-ref ko siya. Ngayong araw ay nagkaamoy na siya. Kaya tinapon ko. Siguro naaamoy ko kasi nandito lang sa tabi ko yung basurahan. Okidoki. Yan. Kalain mo yun. Nakagawa ko ng empanada. Oh, it's looking nice. Honey! It's looking nice!
I told you, see? It was my milking.
Look, guys!
have
It's looking
faith.
better! Nice! Ticka-ding, ticka-ding, ticka-ding!
You gotta have faith, darling.
Yes, yes, yes!
Now, get a big plate. How long they got to cook
Okey-dokey.
for? How long they been in for?
I don't know. I think until
They go
the
brown.
pastry is cooked.
Yeah.
Because the inside, the filling is cooked
Oh,
already.
wow, was it heaps?
12.
Wow.
And there's more filling here, so Fiona can have it with rice. We had this yesterday or last
She'll probably
night
have a
with
pasty anyway.
what you call this?
Rice.
No,
Oh, we had it with lettuce.
lettuce. There you go. But my daughter had this with rice. Yeah.
You done well, baby.
Diba? Instant pastry, I don't have to make it. You buy it and then you cut it up and then that's it.
As they say, here's
Ta-da!
someone prepared early.
Ta-da! Okie dokie. Now we just have to cook. Cook everything. We have some more left. There you go. So this is enough for my daughter's lunch or whatever. Is that ready? Is it cooked?
I'll find out, you know. Oh, they stick though, Bob.
So I think you have to put it in on the plate. Take the whole lot out. Oh, it looks good, but.
You gotta grease the plate.
Okie dokie. Trying our First ever empanada or pasty. How was it?
Yummy. Hot though.
And you taste the filling? See, the bottom is not brown.
That's where an oven's better. They've got heat coming from top and bottom.
Is it?
You put them on the rack in the oven, it'll make a massive difference.
Oh, you might do
beautiful.
that.
Very hot.
You might do that. So it's still...
That one's cooked. They're starting to brown.
Yeah, but it needs to be like this.
Yeah, probably do it longer. Or flip it over.
Yeah, but having that on the thing like that, it grabs, so you can't flip it over.
Makes it hard, yeah. Nice, very hot.
Hot inside.
Beautiful.
Yay. Okay, let me try it. Ta-da! Oh, the pastry is nice. It's really flaky.
Very good success, huh?
Legit empanada. Nice. I like this better than the original empanada because the what you call this? The dough of the empanada is hard. This is really flaky. It's nice.
This is Aussie empanada.
It's hot inside, eh? All the heat are sealed inside.
Oh, no. Full time is whole heat.
Oh yeah, I love this bag. I'm excited. I'm gonna do another recipe, another dish using this pastry. I see a lot of recipes on Facebook. Easy and simple cooking. Yeah. There you go. Our lunch is sorted. We're cooking some more. I'm going to see my oncologist at 1 o'clock, so it's already 11:45. We're going to leave at 15:15, yeah? So we have 30 minutes.
Geez, that went quick, didn't it?
We have 30 minutes. But we can just leave it to cool down in the microwave, and then when we come home,
just heat it.
we'll have some again. Snack. This is really nice. I like it. The filling has nice flavors, and that's what makes it.
That's the key.
Because because if the filling is not good, no matter how nice the pastry is, it's not good. And having the filling today from yesterday, so it's been sitting in its juices in the fridge. Now it's really beautiful.
Very good. Well done, baby. I'll
Good
make a
experiment.
cook out of it yet. I said, I'll make a cook out of it yet. I tell you what, for someone that never cooked in the early days, she does miracles now. That and sewing. Someone that never sewed, all of a sudden she can do any bloody thing. She's very clever.
I learned how to use a sewing machine here in Australia. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully learned something today. Bye, God bless.